I should actually stop clicking randomly on some Amazon stuff, especially when it's that heavy. Let's unbox this thing and see what is actually inside. Okay, first layer done. Second one. Congratulations to the firm that I've actually bought it from. Really well packaged. Now I actually know what that is and where that came from. These are my sound panels that I actually bought. This will be episode 1, soundproofing my desk setup. I should actually try not to cut into the fabric, that would be nice. Addictive Sound are the people who make them, the soundboards. They really look fantastic right now. If they're really good, then go there, Addictive Sound, and actually get yourself some. The logo, I'm going to show you that in a second, but first. Oh, the fabric is fantastic. Goodbye. So I was actually trying to soundproof my desk setup for quite a long time, 1.5 years now, and I never ever came to realize how to actually do it, and I didn't know what kind of materials I needed. I always looked at those really small and inexpensive black foam things you can get on every site, like at Amazon and stuff, that you see in a lot of videos. But I was actually told by some of my sound guys and by some engineers that they are actually shit. And I believe them because they know how to build a sound studio. So I asked them what else, and they actually said, these are actually filled with some kind of acoustic wool. I don't know exactly what kind of wool that is, but it has a high absorbent rate for even low frequencies and high frequencies. The fabric on top and on the sides is actually acoustic fabric as well, so it filters out even more frequencies. Fantastic. The thing itself is actually 50 centimeters on this side and 1 meter on this side, so 100 centimeters, and is 11 centimeters thick. So this thing could actually be put onto any wall, even in dense spaces, without a problem. The backside is actually made of a dense fiberboard. I don't know exactly what it is, but it feels rugged enough and lightweight enough that it can actually hold everything that is inside. I actually ordered 2 of them to test out if that is actually enough for my small space, or if not, then I just have to add another, a third one for another 50 euros, then I think that is fine. Details! And now, guess what? I actually don't have the right tool for this one to put them onto my wall, or to be precise, to actually drill a hole into the wall and then drill in the according screw. So I have to go to any mall right around the corner and get myself a new drill set. So without further ado, let's go shopping! According to this sheet of paper, I have to actually attach the hangers onto the product now. So we're going to do that. And I actually figured out the length between those two different hanging systems. It's 33.5 to be exact. Do I draw a line, or am I just going to... So, we built everything up. There's only one thing left to do, and that is actually test the mic, see if the sound has actually been positively better, or if it's still the same, I don't know. From the feeling that I have while hearing my own voice right now, I think it has actually already changed. So, let's say the same sentence as before, and then actually cut both of them next to each other, and we'll see what that sounds like. The only way to do great work is to love it. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, never settle. Steve Jobs. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, never settle. Mr. Jobs. Thank you very much for watching. I think the sound has been improved, and I will actually put on another of those sound thingies onto my wall, because not only do they look fantastic, but I think they really improve your sound and reverberation, I don't know the word, that is actually coming back from the sound. And thank you very much for watching. This was the first episode of my home improvement series, and I will have a second thing soon, but nothing that I actually want to announce yet. So thank you very much. If you have any questions or comments, go down in the comment section. While you are on your way down there, please click on the subscribe button. That would really help my channel and me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I am happy to answer all of them, and we'll see us in the next video. My name was Leech, and until then, goodbye.